What's poppin' with y'all? It's Unforgettable Popstar, man. Finna teach y'all how to make salmon the popstar way, you hear me? So first you gonna need all your ingredients. So first we got our salmon, we got our seasoning, boom, season the salmon. Put it in the oven for 350 degrees, boom, asparagus, chop that in half because we don't need them big pieces. So boom, chopped it in half. Now we gon' put that on the skillet. All right, boom. Now we got our oil. So take some oil, salt, pepper. Boom. Put them asparagus leaves or whatever they're called. We're gonna put those on the skillet with a little bit of oil. Mix it up like that. Gotta make sure you mix it up exactly like I mix it up. You know, tap it, tap, 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 and then boom. Now you have it, man. Gotta make sure y'all check out that new song, man. Unforgettable Popstar. You know, Popstar. What's your cash app? Yeah, tap in. Let me know what y'all think about it. And thank you for watching. Love you.